Hi, my name is Cameron Surratt, and I'm the lead fluids chemist here at JAX. The RPM Innovation Center is the heart of new product development at JAX. Here, we can create specification sheets for our products and run competitive comparison tests between JAX products and similar market offerings. Our capabilities include well-known lubricant ASTM test methods, measuring kinematic viscosity, flash point, RPVOT, and foaming characteristics. Other test methods commonly performed include salt spray corrosion, thermogravimetric analysis, and GCMS. These methods contribute to a holistic understanding of how lubricants can be differentiated from one another, giving insights into expected performance. In addition to our research capabilities, the RPM Innovation Center also boasts a used oil analysis program, where customers can precisely determine the current state of their used oil. This, in turn, can help you determine how your specific conditions contribute to the service life of your lubricating fluids. Testing methods utilized as part of our used oil analysis program include ICP-OES for elemental analysis, total acid number titrators for acidity determination, total base number titrators for base reserve determination, and Karl Fischer titration for water content. For further information on how our research methods and used oil analysis can help better serve your operations, please reach out to your local JAX sales representative.